everyone, it's Sarah with AWE, and behind me is a 3-liter twin-turbo Ram with the AWE system installed. Now in this video, we have a ton of sound clips for you, but before we get into that, I want to give you a quick overview of the system so you can make sense of what you're about to hear. Of course, you're welcome to skip ahead to those sound clips, but if you want to get a little more in depth, stick with me and I'll show you what it's all about. The AWE system begins after the factory emissions equipment and bolts directly up using a factory-style connector for a seamless, no modification required installation. This is a true dual system for both the standard and high output models, and also comes with flex sections to absorb any vibrations coming from the engine. Up next is the AWE X-pipe, specifically designed for this platform to keep those tones nice and smooth and cut down on rasp. Immediately after that X are two 180 technology resonators. These resonators have a straight-through design so you don't lose out on performance, and there's no packing material. They're specifically designed to cancel out drone frequencies. 180 Technology is AWE's patented solution that eliminates drone, that annoying low-frequency noise typically experienced at highway speeds. It pinpoints and silences drone-prone frequencies without interrupting flow while delivering the power of a straight-pipe exhaust. The exhaust path continues up and over the axle. It consists of 3-inch T304L stainless, and as you can probably hear from that background noise, the system is made right here in the USA. There's plenty of clearance around the spare tire as well as all of the suspension components, and we finish it off with dual double-walled and straight-cut 5-inch tips available in chrome silver or diamond black. So now that you've seen the system, without any further ado, here's how it sounds. We hope you like what you heard, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, drop them in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.